To adjust your rope, go ahead and bring your handles all the way to the end of the rope. Make sure you have a nice hoop at the very center of that rope. Go ahead and pick a foot and step right in the middle of that rope. Okay. Hold it up on the same side as the foot you're using to step on the rope. You are going to now bring those handles down to the bottom of your armpit on that same side. I'm going to adjust the bottom stoppers and I'm going to bring down the anchors. And now your rope is adjusted. The way that you know if this is working is if you are able to clear your feet and your head with your arms extended to about here. The idea being, when you're jumping, you should be flicking your wrists with the speed rope, not moving your entire forearm. Thanks for watching. If you like our stuff, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and check back for more content on fitness, nutrition, and everything wellness.